Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing energy and focus income so you can charge Wukong's fourth ability fast. First, make sure your frame builds for energy capacity and efficiency. Add flow and streamline. You need sustained energy to hold a charge. Then fit a focus lens on a weapon you'll use for kills, and choose a focus school that rewards active combat. Finally, keep an energy source nearby, Trinity or Volt, or pick up orbs, because consistent energy intake speeds the charging process and prevents interruptions. Once prepped, you actively generate focus and ability charge through combat. Prioritize weapons and tactics that produce lots of hits and kills quickly. Area damage and crowd control let you chain kills and collect focus steadily. Make sure you sustain combo meters and land finishers, because that often multiplies focus gain. Move deliberately between groups, don't disengage. If you need to, use Wukong's survivability to stay in the thick of it. Keep picking up orbs and maintaining uptime so the fourth ability's meter fills without wasting time. When the bar approaches full, prepare to trigger Wukong's fourth ability decisively. Make sure you have the energy to cast immediately. If you hit delays or the meter stalls, inspect your mods, confirm the focus lens is on the weapon actually earning points, and check for energy leaks. Inefficient builds stop the flow. If team support is available, ask for Arcane Energize, Trinity, or a Volt Shield to push across the finish line. Finally, when activated, capitalize on the ability right away to convert that charge into impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.